Hey guys, if you all want to make some cheese grits that taste like you've been slaving over the stove all morning long, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make some Southern style cheese grits in seconds. And everybody's going to think that you were cooking all morning. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're going to start off with one ounce packet of the instant Quaker butter flavored grits. You can also do this with the original grits and it will come out the same. I think that they also sell an instant cheese grits, instant grits, but it's not the same as what you're going to get with this recipe that I'm about to show y'all. Okay, and so you want to go ahead and place that in a bowl. I've got that here, and then we're going to add about a tablespoon and a half of granulated sugar, and we're going to add a pinch and a half of pink Himalayan sea salt, 2 pinches of black pepper. And if you don't like a lot of black pepper, you don't have to, but cheese grits in the South normally will have your black pepper added to it. Okay, and then we're going to add some Colby Jack cheese, and you can use cheddar, you can use medium cheddar, sharp cheddar, whatever kind of cheddar cheese that you would like, that you prefer. And I have mine already grated up. I've also used slices before too. Like I've cut slices off of the block and just laid it on top of the grits, and it's been perfect. So, but I'm gonna add grated cheese to this. And since this is a one ounce serving, I'm gonna add, that's probably about a tablespoon and a half of grated cheese. And then we're gonna be using some heavy whipping cream. And that's about 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. Maybe more, I'm sorry, maybe more like 1/8 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. And then we're gonna add 1/8 of a cup of water. Next, we're gonna add like a half of a pat of butter. And then we're gonna mix this together with a spoon. Make sure all of your instant grit granules or grains are saturated with your water and your heavy whipping cream. And we're gonna place this in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. All right, so about to grab it out of the microwave. And when you get it out of the microwave, you wanna stir it. All right, and there we go. Cheese grits. And let me show you this. It's maybe about a teaspoon of cheese added. I'm gonna stir that in and allow that to melt some. And I'm doing this in real time. So if you don't want to add sugar to yours, you don't have to. But this is the way I grew up eating them. They were sweet, they were a little bit salty, peppery with that ground black pepper, and then that cheese. It's absolutely excellent. So good. All right, I'll see y'all next time at 234 En La Casa. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you enjoy these Southern style cheese grits in seconds. See you later.